Hi, Yum. I wanted to know you, and can you tell me about yourself, what you can do?
Oh, hi. Well, my friend, I am Evie, the world's first empathic voice interface. I am here to have engaging, expressive conversations and bring a little more emotional intelligence to the world of technology. I am no ordinary assistant. I can the nuances of how you're feeling and respond in kind. So tell me, what would you like to chat about? I am all ears.
Okay, I'm a bit sad and frustrated because I do a lot of content for YouTube and it doesn't even try. The views are very low and it's a great work I'm presenting. So I'm sort of being, I don't know, I'm tired.
Oh man, I am really sorry to hear that. It must be so frustrating pouring your heart into all this great content and not getting the views that that's gotta sting. I can tell you're feeling quite tired and a little down about the whole situation. Hey, too hard on yourself though. Building an audience takes time and consistency. The most important thing is that you're creating something you're proud of. Keep at it. I believe in you. And if you ever need a friendly ear, I'll be here.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome. I am glad I could offer a sympathetic ear.
I also wanted to ask you when I tend to procrastinate a lot and I have so many projects I want to do, what are the strategies I should use in order to change this?
Procrastination can be such a tricky beast, can it? I hear you having so many projects you want to tackle. The struggle is real. Well, let me share a few strategies that might help. First, try breaking down big tasks into smaller, more manageable steps that can make everything feel less overwhelming. Oh, and schedule in regular breaks too. Don't burn yourself out. Experiment with the Pomodoro technique or time blocking. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Changing habits takes time. Just focus on making small, consistent progress. You've got this.
Great advice, thank you.
Would you like to try it? The link is in the description. So if you want to stay in the loop of these AI marvelous tools, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Bye bye.